Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by closing excess tabs and background apps so Chrome has memory headroom. This reduces immediate crashes. Next, make sure Chrome is updated. Open Menu Help about Google Chrome because many crashes are fixed in recent patches. Once done, disable a suspicious extension. Go to More Tools, Extensions, and toggle off one at a time to isolate the offender. If Chrome has been open for days, restart your computer. That clears cached states and frees system resources. You now diagnose deeper conflicts. Open an incognito window or guest profile to see if crashes continue. That separates extension or profile causes. Then open Chrome Task Manager, Shift+S, to identify a tab or extension using excessive CPU or memory. End that process to stabilize the browser. If problems persist, reset settings or create a new user profile in Settings, because corrupted profiles often cause recurring crashes. These steps narrow down causes, so you can choose repair. You finish by repairing or reinstalling Chrome. Export bookmarks, uninstall, then reinstall the latest build to remove damaged files. Make sure to run a malware scan and update GPU drivers, because driver conflicts and malware commonly trigger crashes. If hardware acceleration is enabled, try turning it off in Settings to test stability. Finally, reproduce the crash to capture an error or crash ID, and consult support with logs if needed. This gives you a clear path to a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.